closest to the earth we have ever found.
Good morning, ma'am.
Expected that an elusive black hole pair might be hiding in a nearby galaxy. Now they can finally see it.
Okay, very good, children. It's the latest news. There are found some of the black holes very near to the
Excuse
Earth,
me,
but
ma'am.
they are saying that it is now they are coming out of it. They are emerged out of it, and scientists thinking that now why they could see the black hole near to the Earth because they must be hiding in another galaxy all these years. So all these years they were searching for a galaxy which is near to the Earth. They found the black hole, but it is not close to the Earth or close to the solar system. And now we are having another black hole. Very good, Hydra. So that news is good.
Okay,
Okay.
Ma'am, I have
Nainika, I'll come back to you later. Let Hydra complete her reading. Navaneet, keep your hands down now.
I'm finished.
Only one. Okay. Okay, Nainika, can you now speak?
Yes, ma'am. I have an audio problem that time.
Okay. Is your news ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read.
Russian anti-satellite test has made spacework riskier for astronauts.
Russian satellite. What's the name of the Russian satellite?
Russian anti-satellite test has made spacework riskier for astronauts.
Anti-satellite.
Yes, ma'am. It's the latest news.
Something new. Anti-satellite. I don't know what does it mean. Okay. Next news.
I think
NASA wants to put a nuclear power plant on the moon by 2030.
What is NASA is doing? Even Earth is not enough to create the nuclear power plant. Huh? Already nuclear power plant is giving lot of problem. And now he is going to the moon and this is a human being, no? We just like to destroy only. Nothing to build up. Just destroy. Huh? So
We will destroy nature to build things for our
and
cause.
while you come our age, nothing will be there on the earth. I doubt now earth will be there because last month onwards we are getting cyclones and after cyclones and after. Have you ever seen the rain during month of November?
Yeah, no.
Yes.
No. Yeah, by September, October, rain stops. Then we have now harvesting time actually. We are planting the
Autumn.
seeds and the paddy field and all producing rices or rice grain. If you observe in outskirts, your roadside, not a single mango tree and jackfruit tree has a flowers now. What happened?
No.
This is the time mangoes and jackfruit will form, correct? November and December.
yes, ma'am.
And by month of April, May, you will get mangoes to eat. Now nothing is there.
Yeah, next
This
year
is-
there will be no mangoes and no jackfruit.
No mangoes and you will spend like a petrol, you will spend the 150 rupees for 1 kg raw mangoes, which is very common in Kerala. Okay.
Yeah.
So children,
And
this
raw
is,
mangoes are very sour.
so this
They're
is the
not
global warming. We created global warming. This is the reason. Unwanted time also.
Carbon dioxide.
Yes, unwanted times. A cyclone is formed due to the gases which is in the atmosphere due to evaporation of the water. So we are getting cyclones. So we have to be very careful. I don't know. We need to save our earth. Okay, Nainika, shall we go to the next one? Only one news. One news.
Ma'am, I have got that.
Okay. Even one news, it's a fresh news. Okay, fine, children. So I think others, no one is present now. I cannot see Nasnia. What about the Manchima? Adidev said he needs time. Okay, Adidev, we will meet in the next class. Manchima, what about the news of yours? What about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready? Okay, others, everyone muted. Manchima, can you read your news?
Yes, ma'am.
NASA postpones spacewalk sitting debris notification for ISS. Italy and France sign agreement on space launches.
Okay, so there are some agreement. What is the first sentence? Can you read, Manchima, once again, the first line?
And the first news,
First news.
NASA postpones spacewalk sitting debris notification for ISS.
Okay, NASA postponed. So, related to the debris in that, something was last week we have read, no? NASA launched a spacecraft. It has been collided against some debris and all. So, that notification is postponed to. That is something regarding their external affairs. Okay, nothing more than that. Okay.
Mission DART, right?
Yes.
DART.
Yes. Maria Binu.
SpaceX.
Okay, Maria Binu.
Maria is not here, ma'am.
No, she's already joined. Maria, can you switch on the video?
Manchima.
Manchiva, your news is over, no? 2 news you read.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Maria, what about you? You have to read some space news, no response from you.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the news, Maria? Read fast. Last class also you did not come on online. Fast. Start.
Okay, ma'am. Science news. NASA on June 3 announced 2 new Discovery Program missions to Venus.
Very good. So now, second news.
Black hole found hiding in star cluster outside our galaxy.
Okay. So this is the same news read by, I think, Hyra, no? Hyra,
Yes,
someone
Hyra.
read by. Same news. The first news is something new. NASA also launched a mission to Venus. 2 missions. So that is something new. Good. Okay. Now, who is left? Adi, Nasnia. Parvati came? Parvati? No. Parvati not yet come. Okay, students. Parvati, yeah, she read it. Yeah,
Yes,
she
ma'am,
read.
she read it.
She read. Okay, only now Nasnia and Adidev. And Aryan, I am just leaving that guy. I am calling him. He is not responding. Aryan, I don't know. Only for are moving. Okay. So that is about, my dear, about the scientist. So you also can become scientists. And some of you, I think Sri Hari, Juwan, all the students, you have the skill. You have the skill to think and have an interest in some of the science thing. So you develop that and you can go for the higher classes for that stream. Heard, Sri Hari?
Ma'am, I did not. Ma'am, I'm not going to become a scientist.
Not scientist, but that interest. Interest.
Interest I have.
Interest I have, maybe you can take any other stream, other career, not to become scientist, but you can become another career of science. Because why I'm telling that, children, some of the students in the class, some echoes are here, no? Some echoes are here, no? Some of you, if I'm telling you to mute, you never mute. See, some of you students, when you are in the class, you are active participation, and that is something is telling you that you are good at science. Some students are not so much interested in science, and I am sure they will not succeed in science stream. So, if you are 5th standard, you see which is your taste of subject. Is it maths? Is it science? Is it social? So on that you started studying. That is what I am telling you. You are very small kids, but you can develop all these skills. Okay, fine. Now we are moving on to the fifth one. So the 4th scientist was Isaac Newton. Then come to other 2 scientists. One is known as Edmund Halley. Have you heard about the word Halley?
No.
Halley, have you heard about Halley's comet?
Yeah.
Ah,
Ma'am,
yes.
was the comet named after him?
Yes.
Yes.
So he is the first one who discovered comets in the universe. Okay. So you see, the space is not a contribution of one Isaac Newton or one Ptolemy. It is a contribution of many scientists. So Halley is the one who discovered the comet. So the first comet, what we have, it came to the Earth is Halley's comet.
Halley's
So
comet.
they give the name to Halley for honoring him. The next is Aristotle. Okay, Aristotle is the first person who said that he is in the age of Ptolemy. Okay, he's very, you can see the dressing and everything of Aristotle. He's not belonged to 16th or 17th century. He also belonged to Ptolemy's age, 2nd century, 3rd century, and all. And he is the one who discovered that Earth is not flat; it is spherical in shape.
It's spherical in
And they did not have many telescope or so many things. Telescope and all came later. But he observed with his naked eye and he started thinking, and then he gave to the this conclusion that Earth is not flat, as Ptolemy said, it is not flat, but it is spherical in shape. Okay, so that is
I have read this in the last in our last year social book. Ma'am,
Yes,
Christopher
yes.
Columbus traveled all over the earth and came back to the same spot, and the scientists concluded that the earth was not flat but a spherical shape.
Yes, okay. The next one is Hipparchus. Hipparchus also a very old man. He is a Greek philosopher, Greek thinker, and he found out the two brightest stars, Sirius and Regal.
Sirius,
Yeah,
Regal.
Regal. And Sirius is the name of Greek god, so they give the name to Greek god's name, Sirius.
Oh yes.
So Regal also is a Greek princess. So that is how they have given that day name. So this is a Greek scientist. They are not scientists.
What is
Aristotle and are not scientists. They are thinkers. Okay. Scientist is Isaac Newton, Galileo Galilei. These are the scientists. But others, the olden times, there is no word like a scientist because science did not come. We call it them philosopher. Philosopher means who thinks about the life, and a thinker. So these are the thinkers. Yeah, philosophy of life. And so these are the major scientists who has been helped to understand universe better. And the last person was Isaac Newton. From Isaac Newton, so many other new modern scientists have discovered now new planets, new solar system, new Milky Way, all those things. Okay, children?
Yes.
So that is about it. Now, we are going to our space, the modern technology. So now, so far we are in the ancient history. Now we are coming to the modern history. Okay? Yes. Dia, can you read what is this is our years, the major events in the history of space or something. We are launching artificially some of the things. And it came to the first satellite. The man-made satellite is Sputnik 1. Okay, that is you have seen. Dia, can you read the first event?
Yes, ma'am. Year 1926 event. Robert H. Goddard launched the first rocket.
Okay, so when the first rocket is launched in 1926, that means from 19th century onwards, we started using modern technology and we started reaching to the space from the earth. That is happened in 19th century. And within 19th to 21st century, we are developed so fast. Okay, so many satellites, so many spacecraft, and so many space stations. So the starting is from 1926. Okay, Janvi, can you read the next one?
1957. Sputnik 1, Russia, the first man-made satellite, was launched to orbit around the Earth.
Sputnik 2. Ma'am?
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, we cannot hear
Carried
you.
a dog.
We cannot
Ma'am, we
listen
cannot
your
hear you.
What?
Ma'am, not
He
hearing.
was launched and it carried a dog. And we cannot hear.
Yeah.
In which year? 1957.
We can't hear you.
Sputnik
I'm
2
not
was
hear
launched.
you.
It carried a
was
dog.
launched and it carried.
Can you hear me?
Carried like
Yes.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
we can hear you.
Ma'am, we can hear you now.
Okay.
We can
Okay.
hear you.
Ma'am, can I read my Manu?
1 minute. Something is on the board. You are seeing something?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Go on.
Nothing.
Okay. Okay, Manav, Madhu, you joined very late. Why? Why are you late in the class?
Ma'am, I joined in the wrong studio room, ma'am.
Ah.
That is why.
You know it that your timetable has some changes. You should look it into and join. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I thought it was 5, ma'am. I saw.
Mm.
That's why.
Okay, good. So next, Siddhi, read the 1950s. So next one.
Ma'am, you
Okay,
called me
ma'am.
now.
Year 1957. Even Sputnik 2 was launched and it carried a dog.
Okay, so children, the same year we have sent the dog Lilac. Okay, Laika, Laika into the that. Not with the first one, Sputnik 2. That is the second rocket we have or second satellite we have launched. So Laika started reaching to the space by Sputnik 2, not Sputnik 1. Okay. Yes, good. Okay, next, Niranjan, read the next one.
Yes, ma'am. 1959. Luna 2 was launched, but it crashed into the moon's surface.
Okay, so 1959 we started to reach to the moon, but Luna 2, that was the space craft which has launched, but it did not succeed. It crashed onto the moon's surface. Okay, Rudra, Robin, next news.
Year 1959. Luna 3 was the first space probe
Space probe.
spacecraft that orbited the moon.
Okay, so when we started succeeded while launching, so Luna 2, human being did not fail. So we again started making Luna 3. So that was the first space probe, just like a spacecraft, a small one that orbited the moon. Okay. Juan, 1969, next one. Juan Paulson, read.
Landed on the moon.
Neil Armstrong.
Stepped on the moon's surface.
Okay, after 10 years, only the first time ever man has stepped on the moon's surface. Till that 10 years, different countries are having the different space probe. They tried to make the person to land it, but they could not succeed. Who succeeded finally? Apollo 11. So Apollo 11 landed on the moon. Neil Armstrong stepped on the moon's surface. Okay? Yes. Or just can you read the after that?
1990.
Mm.
Spacecraft launched to place Hubble Space Telescope in the Earth's orbit.
Okay, so in between 1969 and 1990, there were so many countries have sent the space shuttle, and India also sent during time of Indira Gandhi's time. You have seen, no, Rakesh Sharma, he also landed on the moon. Now, after that, so between 1969 and 1990, so many new spacecraft they have launched, and the people also have landed on the moon. But after that, the first ever telescope to observe the space has been launched by 1990. So even it's not necessary you human being should be there. Through the telescope, we also can find out what is happening on the space. That is done in
1999.
These are the people, Apollo 11, 1969, 3 people who was there. And first man walked on the moon, Neil Armstrong. You can see Neil Armstrong was American. That is what, that the flag is kept. flag is kept on that. And this is the Apollo 11 spacecraft. Okay, through which these three men reached the Mars. And modern technological use for space exploration, telescope is there, we are having spacecraft is there, and it's a black and white photo of Laika. Okay, those days we don't have color photos. So you can see Laika, dog Laika. Okay. So telescope, spacecraft. So modern technology, we have so many things included in the space: telescope, spacecraft, space station, space shuttle, rockets. So next class, we will go to all this modern, some of the spacecraft launched by India, launched by the things and all. Okay, so we will able to see it. Okay, okay children, so time up. Bye-bye. So next.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. Yes.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Huh? What happened?
Bye.